Here are 50 sentences using "you're supposed to." These sentences illustrate how "you're supposed to" is used to express expectations, responsibilities, or obligations. 1. You're supposed to arrive at the meeting on time. 2. You're supposed to turn off your phone in the theater. 3. You're supposed to finish your homework before playing games. 4. You're supposed to wear a helmet while riding a bike. 5. You're supposed to follow the rules of the road. 6. You're supposed to bring your ID to the exam. 7. You're supposed to knock before entering the room. 8. You're supposed to read the instructions carefully. 9. You're supposed to clean up after yourself. 10. You're supposed to wash your hands before eating. 11. You're supposed to call if you're running late. 12. You're supposed to pay attention during the lecture. 13. You're supposed to wear formal attire for the interview. 14. You're supposed to feed the pets every morning. 15. You're supposed to brush your teeth twice a day. 16. You're supposed to keep the receipt for returns. 17. You're supposed to recycle paper and plastic. 18. You're supposed to respect other people's opinions. 19. You're supposed to exercise at least 3 times a week. 20. You're supposed to water the plants regularly. 21. You're supposed to submit your report by Friday. 22. You're supposed to keep the door locked at night. 23. You're supposed to back up your files frequently. 24. You're supposed to set a good example for others. 25. You're supposed to listen when someone is speaking. 26. You're supposed to replace the batteries when the remote stops working. 27. You're supposed to thank people for their help. 28. You're supposed to take breaks during long work hours. 29. You're supposed to sign in before entering the building. 30. You're supposed to call customer service for assistance. 31. You're supposed to park in designated areas only. 32. You're supposed to wear a seatbelt while driving. 33. You're supposed to sort the laundry before washing. 34. You're supposed to introduce yourself to new colleagues. 35. You're supposed to keep the kitchen clean after cooking. 36. You're supposed to attend all the team meetings. 37. You're supposed to respond to emails promptly. 38. You're supposed to inform your manager about any delays. 39. You're supposed to return borrowed items on time. 40. You're supposed to stay quiet in the library. 41. You're supposed to follow the safety protocols at work. 42. You're supposed to take out the trash every evening. 43. You're supposed to turn off the lights when leaving a room. 44. You're supposed to carry a valid ticket on public transport. 45. You're supposed to update your software regularly. 46. You're supposed to respect your elders. 47. You're supposed to greet visitors politely. 48. You're supposed to stay hydrated throughout the day. 49. You're supposed to report any suspicious activity. 50. You're supposed to finish your tasks before the deadline.